Tableau Dashboarding for Beginners, step-by-step approach on how to create interactive dashboarding with Tableau. I'm going to show you how to create dashboard using Tableau. Let us know what Tableau is. Tableau is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that refines raw data and transforms the data into interactive visual charts and dashboards. As you can see from here, this is a raw data, and if you are to present this data to executives or stakeholders, you are not going to present it in this form because they won't understand it. So you need to transform it into a visual chart like this, and collecting those files, those charts, into a single file called dashboard. So dashboard is a collection of single charts into a single file for presentation. When you are doing the Tableau, you do all these files per slide or per sheet. So at the end, when you want to present it, you arrange the sheets, collect the sheets into a single file in a dashboard like this. So that is called dashboard. I'm going to show you, I'm going to use some example data generated from hospital to show you how to create these charts and also collect them into dashboard and present it. So let's see how, let's follow me. So this is a data, these are data. I'm going to use this data to create charts and dashboards. And while doing that, I will be answering some questions which I have already written out. As you can see from here, I'm going to visualize the data into these slides or pages. Then I will use it for dashboarding at the end of it. So let us see how I'm going to do it step by step. So let us open Tableau. You start by clicking on this start window, start icon. Then I have to type Tableau if I can open it. So this is a Tableau. As it is opening, so it's going to open in this form, but I don't want to open one of these files that I've done before, so I have to close it. And this is you can also upload the data, the file that you want to work on from here. You can also upload it from here. So, or you can choose a new blank page and then decide to upload it from the blank page, just like this. I'll close this and then open this. So you can also upload it from here. You come to data source. So this will come out again. When this pops up, you choose this file. This is the file I want to analyze and visualize. So I'll upload it. I'm trying to make this video short. So when you upload this, it has appeared here. Then you have to click sheet 1 to be able to see the columns of this file. So these are the columns. Now let us go to the question and see what we are going to do first. The question says, visualize the number of patients undergoing different procedures for both readmitted and not readmitted. Okay, I'm going to do this now. Okay, why are we using this Tableau? Tableau is very easy to use for beginners. It has a drop interface, means that you can easily drop columns to field and analyze it, just like this. The question says, visualize the number of patients undergoing different procedures for both readmitted and not readmitted. Undergoing different procedures. Okay, so let us see. This is a number of procedures. You have to drag this here and drag it again to This is column side and this is row side. So we've got to turn this to dimension. You're using line charts. And the count of patients, this is sum, but you are asked to do the count of patients. So you have to change this to count of patients. And let's see the label markers. And this is count of patients too. So this is the first question there. You have shown the count of patients. Okay, the next question said find count of patients from different age grades. Okay, let's do it. This is the count of patients from different age grades. We are talking about age. You have to get this here and also drag the age to the same place. Then you're asked to find the count of patients. This has to be count of patients. You've got to put this to entire view. Then count of patients. Then age, label it. Count of patients here. So you have this. I think I need to rename this patients on age. Sheet 1 is what? Number of procedure. Number. Okay. So what's the third question here? Okay, so this is the question. For the category admitted and non-admitted, visualize the percentage of patients who have utilized healthcare service in the past. Compute the percentage based on the count of patients belonging to admitted and non-admitted categories. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to put a new sheet here. Service utilization. So the count of patients. Okay. Then service utilization. To drag this here. Count of patients who have utilized service utilization. Then you have to count of patients. Count. Okay. Entire view. Remember, you can turn this like this if you want. So count of patients who have visualize the percentage of patients who have utilized healthcare service in the past. Compute the percentage based on the count of patients belonging to admitted and non-admitted categories. So you are going to use this admitted, filter it, or so click on this. Click on show filter. Okay, then you are going to service utilization. Service utilization. Label count of patients. Measure counts. So you're going to take the percentage of this, then calculation percentage of total. That's this. Then you're going to use this for dashboarding. So that's why I'm doing this. So let's see the next question. Visualize time spent in hospital by patients. Okay. So what you do is you put a new sheet. Time spent Okay, where is time here? Time in the hospital. Count of time spent in the hospital. Count of time. Okay. Dimension. So you can see the time spent in the hospital. Label this count of time. So this is the time spent in the hospital by patients. Okay, the next question says for the category admitted and non-admitted, visualize the top 3 diseases category where a count of patient is higher. Okay, let's see. We go to the Tableau, click in new sheet. So you check this category of disease. Yes, you check it. Then this is category of disease. Sorry. So count of this. You can also turn it like this and arrange it in order like this. So you can make the view, entire view. Now you're asked to get the top 3 diseases. So you're going to filter this and use top field, top 10, top 3, and click OK. So this is the top 3 diseases, and I will only show counts. Okay, so this is so these are my files. Each sheets are here. So I'm going to create a dashboard according to this. The data set used in this activity is the healthcare data set. You're required to create a dashboard using the chart created. So I'm going to use those charts to create a dashboard. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click, this is a dashboard. I'm going to click in new dashboard, and this is the new dashboard. So I'm going to create a range which is sorted automatic range. So now we can create a dashboard by creating container. If you like, you can create a container and use it to make your dashboard. So let me see what you are going to do. Okay, we are going to create a dashboard. So to create dashboard, we click on this icon, which means new dashboard. So we click on it. Then for us to do this, we have to set the page and create containers. So first of all, create a vertical container like this, and we create text, and that text is let's say healthcare reports. Control P, increase the fonts to 12. So click OK. So then we are going to create let's check what we've created. Okay, vertical container. We have created this. So we're gonna create horizontal container. We create horizontal container. Then we're going to create a blank container. You create a container so that you'll be able to arrange your work easily. So this is a blank container. Drag this down. Then we're going to create a vertical container. Two vertical containers depending on the layout I want. Create this vertical container here and here. So let's see what we have done. We come here, horizontal containers. So we have three containers here. So you click on this horizontal, right click on it, distribute the containers evenly. Then you have this, then delete this blank. The blank is just there for you to help you to get the containers in form inside the horizontal containers without shifting it. So as you have created these two containers now, you are going to put in the files you've created earlier. Okay, look at the files here, the sheets. So now I'm going to drop these top three diseases here. Drop it here. First of all, we are going to see these questions. The question says, when a disease in top three chart is selected, the count of patients in number of procedure, time spent. Okay, possibly I'm going to keep this one at the top because you will apply filter with it. Okay, so now you do this number of procedures. I would like to bring this one here again to be under this, and I also like service utilization to stay be under this. So I'm going to delete empty spaces like all this to create a very good space like this here. Now can be count of page, count of patients, age. Okay, I'm gonna put it in center alignment. The is still too big. Reduce the size to 11 pair. Okay, then this is age. I don't need this. I need this. Format, hide field. I'll hide it. So count of this. I don't need these two. Sorry, undo it. So I don't need these two. Edit this. Delete it and close it. So these two, when you finish editing this, service utilization. To 11 center alignment. So I don't need these two. Sorry, let me undo. Don't need this. Format it and sorry. hide it. Okay. Service, count of service utilization. I don't think we need these two, so we're gonna remove it too. I'm going to remove it. This one too. We hide it. Then this one, we also need to remove it. I don't need it. Just to create a much space for your data board. Top 3 is yes, okay, good. So then let's go to the other side and put this time spent in the hospital. Bring it here and number of procedure and it here. So this is dashboard. This is how you can create a dashboard. So you also do the same thing, clean these things. Let me clean it. Okay, so this is a dashboard now. So this is readmitted, not readmitted. Okay. I'm going to create. You can change. You can change this color. So after cleaning this, I'm going to insert a new horizontal container. I'm going to insert it here. Yes. So I'm gonna put this one here. Sorry. I'm gonna put this here. Insert this here. And then insert this here. Then come here. Or we can rather click this and distribute evenly. Then you can reduce the size. That's its size. So okay, let's see from here. This is the horizontal. Click on it. And you can also change the no. Click on it. Okay, you can change the background color. You can put any color you want, like this, and reduce the size. And drag it to the top here if you want. And drag it here and leave it. You can change background color of this one. You can change the background color. No. You can change background color of the whole chart. You can choose the border color you want. You can choose the border color for this one if you want. Then you can also do the same for this. For this. So you can also do this one as well. So you can do that one. You can choose the border color for that one. So then let's see the next question. Said when you click, we are going to apply filter. So we click on dashboard, click on actions, then click on add action, which is filter. Add a filter. So you are going to add a filter on top 3. This is yes. So that when you select it, it's gonna other values will highlight. So let's see what happened now. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to select this. You see, so that's what they call interactive dashboarding. Let me show this dashboard. So when I click on this, it's gonna show. Click on this, it's gonna show. Click on this, it's gonna show. Then I can change this to readmitted. Change this to readmitted. Check value to all and click on this. So this is what they call interactive dashboarding. Thank you.